welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Modi and welcome to another haul video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a lot of bottom wears that I have recently purchased. I have office wears, daily wears, some fancy wears, some bottom wears which flatters my legs like nobody's business. I was quite shocked. For reference, I wear the size M in bottom. I am really excited to show it to you guys, and if you are too, then please continue watching. First, I have this blue high waist straight trouser. This is a poly lycra material. It ends above your ankle. It comes with two side pockets. That's the best thing. It comes with a zip closer. It will make an amazing pair with crop tops. It does not come with any additional kapra inside, but it's a very thick material and it's not see-through at all. Highly recommended if you love a little bit of varieties apart from brown, black or white. This is a very refreshing, vibrant, something new. Some colors will be added to your wardrobe. One of my favorite pieces among all the pieces that I'm going to be showing you today. You will know why I love the blue color so much. I have the high waist trouser in hot pink shade. It's such a refreshing additive to my wardrobe. Pair it up with a white tank top and a sneaker and you are good to go to airport. Exactly similar to the blue one. The material, zip closer, two side pockets, absolutely same, just in different color. Trust me girl, just add this pop of colors in your wardrobe and you will never have those boring wardrobe ever again. Why do we have to always wear black and white when we have such options? Next, I have this light green flossing detail mid-rise flared leggings. I know the name is quite long, but basically it is a flared leggings. On the website it was written that it's light green, but nowhere in hell it actually looks like a light green shade. It's a beautiful pastel sea green color. It has such a smoky undertone which complements brown skin once again so beautifully. Comes with two ropes. You can tie it in the back if you mostly wear crop top. This is a type you should add in your wardrobe. It does not come with any zip closer. Very easy to slip on in it. It does not come with pocket, by the way. It's a very thick cotton material, very stretchable all throughout, very good quality I would say. I have the similar light green flared leggings in the color navy blue. This is the same thing, comes with two ropes. Take it around your waist, pull it to the front, here tie the rope on your waist. That's how you're supposed to wear it. It is the same style, just in a different color. Very stretchable, very thick material, very good. It's not see-through. If you love wearing dark colors, you should definitely invest in it. I feel like during my menstruation days, I want something like this where I don't sweat a lot, I don't feel uncomfortable, just makes me feel very comfortable underneath. My skin can breathe, so trust me, it is a really good piece. Next, I have this maroon striped wrap wide-legged pant. Features a wrap detail in front, gives dimension once again. Like if you're wearing a very boring top, you need to give focus to the bottom. It comes with a rope. You can pair it up with a spaghetti top and normal flats and you'll be good to go in summer. It does come with a zip closer and it does not have any pocket if that concerns you. Next, I have this olive colored trouser which comes with this elastic. It does not have any additional side pockets but only two back pockets. It does also have a rope. You'll be able to resize it according to your waist size. If you have long legs, like you want to wear the L size but it does not fit you on your waist because you mostly need to wear M size. It's elastic but still you can pull the rope and fit it according to your waist, so you don't have to find those Instagram belt hacks. It's such a beautiful color. You can wear it with green, blue, white, black, literally with everything and anything. Honestly, why am I even mentioning colors? Beautiful casual wear. This is so comfortable. It's a poly lycra material, but it's very comfortable for the bottom. It's not see-through at all. It will not stick to your legs for the longest time. Such a comfortable wear. Highly recommended once again. Next, I have this high flared leggings. It is in purple color. It's mentioned on the website that it's purple color. There is no coloring happening and it's nowhere in hell looks like purple. It has a front slit at the end. You can see gives a little different dimension. Flared leggings is something that I absolutely love. It suits my body type. High waist legging. If you're wearing a high slit pant with a crop top and with a long coat, it's such a vibe. It's gonna be a vibe, trust me. Among all the bottom wear that I have shown you till now, this one has the thickest of the thickest material and it's a cotton material, so it's very comfortable once again. It will stick to your leg up to your knee and then it will be flared. It does not come with any pockets if you're curious to know that. This type of leggings naturally do not have pockets because the dimension that it gives to your body will be ruined if pockets are added with this. Trust me, I love that purple / maroon pant so much that I have another color as well. This is in the color black. Same thing, does not come with a pocket, has this front slit. It is a high waist leggings. If you don't have a flared front slit leggings, I highly recommend you guys to get one because it gives dimension to your legs to a different level. Next, I have this blue velour flared trouser. It's a velvet material and it's so shiny at the same time. Can you see? It comes with a zip closer and it is a high waist trouser. trouser. It's flared and it has hem stitch all across the pant. It's not visible that it has stitches all along, like it looks very smooth. Next I have this black belted high waist straight fit trouser. It comes with a belt also. Now if you don't know me, I don't like wearing belts, so I just removed the belt and I'm just wearing like it is. I don't really care because it's not that visible. It is a high waist pant and it comes with a zip closer at the same time. It is a straight fit, I would say, especially if you go to office and you don't want to wear jeans on a daily basis because of course it's very uncomfortable. This is so breathable. This is a straight pant. It does not stick to your legs anyways. It will look formal. Comes with two pockets. Next I have this tan pleated wide legged high waist trouser and it is very wide legged pant. Once again, it's amazing for your casual outing or if you go to office on a regular basis and you need varieties. Comes with two pockets, has a zip closer as well. Poly lycra material. It does not come with any other layerings, but it's not see-through at all. This color reminds me of V of BTS. If you know, you know. Very different color from the usuals actually. Next I have this navy blue high-rise straight pants. It is a satin pant and it's very shiny. You can see it's not see-through at all, but it comes with a zip closer. It is a straight pant. On the back it looks like it is a pocket, but it is not a pocket. There is only two pockets only in the sides. Very basic yet very chic. Highly recommended. Next I have this brown flared leggings. I'm telling you, this is one of the best leggings that I've come across. Like, it's very comfortable to wear. I wore it outdoors so many times because I just cannot put this down. It has such beautiful 3D texture detailing. Beautiful, amazing, so good. I think this is the costliest pant that I have purchased so far in this haul. It costs 4500, a little expensive. Honestly, it's too expensive, but it's Zara, so Zara is kind of like a little expensive brand, you know. I buy things from Zara every once or twice in 4 or 5 months. Actually, I ordered 3 pants, but I returned 2 of them because they were way too much costly for their material. I could have found the same material in different brands in 1/3 fraction of a price, trust me. Next, I have a skirt. It's been ages since I have bought a skirt. Out of nowhere, I just ended up buying this purple skirt, which comes with a zip closer. It's not a pencil skirt. It's not a flared skirt. It's somewhere in between. I recently bought a quad set where I had like top and a skirt all together. Like, dedicatedly, I have never bought a skirt in a while, so I was like, let me buy it. The color is very pretty and it's a very basic skirt, so I can just wear it whenever I'm running errands, you know. It's a velvet material, very shiny. Next, I have this belted paperback straight trouser. Such a beautiful shade of pastel pink. You can see it is a muted pink. It's not that hot pink that I have shown you earlier. It is a really good everyday wear. You can wear it with literally anything and everything. It's so comfortable yet so trendy. It is a satin finished silk material. I like this type of rope belt. Comes with 2 secured locks and a zip closer, and it has 2 pockets as well on the side. So yeah, that's all the bottom wears that I had for you guys in today's video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. All the links will be listed down in the description box below along with my socials. In case you were interested to check out my Instagram, you can do that. I'm very active over there, by the way. I post a lot of informative stories on my Instagram as well, so you might want to check that. And if you're new to this channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get notified and you will get to see the video quickly. I hope I helped you to find out some office wears, daily wears. Hope I have given you enough varieties to choose according to your niche. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do any other videos, if you have suggestions or anything of that sort. I am through this platform and I just want to give back to you as much as I have the capability to do so. I'll see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you guys so much. You guys already know. Bye.